Today I am making my favorite breakfast, pancake. Although they are usually enjoyed with honey, today I am making it with chocolate sauce. It's a quick and easy breakfast for everyone. This make about 12 pancakes. Let's start off with making the chocolate sauce in a double boiler. I have 1 packet of dark cooking chocolate here. Chop it into smaller pieces so it melts easily. Place it in a heat-resistant bowl. In a pot, add a steamer or stainless steel net to support the bowl. Add some water slightly above the netting. Switch on the heat. Place the bowl. As the water is getting hot, the chocolate starts to melt. Stir occasionally until it has completely melted. Hold the bowl in place with a steam clamp or mitten as it will become quite hot later. After 3 minutes, 80% of chocolate has melted. Add 100 ml of milk and continue stirring until well combined and smooth. After 5 minutes, it's very smooth and really glossy. This consistency is perfect. It is slightly thin and will be thick enough when cool. Switch off the heat. Remove from the double boiler and let it cool. Next, make the pancake batter. Take 1½ cup of all-purpose flour and place it on a sieve in a mixing bowl. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Sieve together into the mixing bowl. All done? Add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1½ tablespoon of sugar. And mix until well combined with the hand whisk. Leave aside. Next, mix the wet ingredient. Melt 60 grams of butter over medium heat for about 45 seconds. Once about 80% of butter has melted, switch off the heat. Continue to stir until it has completely melted. Add 200 ml of cold milk and 1 egg. Use a hand whisk to stir until well combined. Alright, all done. Mix the wet ingredient with the dry ingredient gently with the hand whisk until smooth. This consistency is perfect. Place a non-stick pan on the stove. Switch on the heat to medium. Mine has 4-minute compartments. A normal non-stick pan works well too. Put about 1 teaspoon of cooking oil in each compartment. Spread the oil with a small spatula and wait for the oil to be slightly hot. Scoop about ½ cup of pancake batter and pour into each section. If using a normal pan, I recommend cooking the pancake one by one. Wait for about 1 to 1½ minutes or until bubbles form in the center. If the heat is uneven, turn the pan around to evenly distribute it. Check if the bottom part is cooked and brown. Flip to turn the pancake to the other side. Cook for 1 more minute or until brown. Now it should be cooked on both sides. Remove it from the pan and place it on serving plate. Repeat until the pancake batter has been used up. Alright, all done. The lovely pancake is ready to be served. Cut a piece of butter and pour slightly cool melted chocolate over the pancake. My daughter loves enjoying their pancake by stacking them up and adding some honey. Wow, it looks so inviting. Let's eat! So good, fluffy and very delicious. The butter and chocolate enhance the delicious pancake so well. It's worth the effort. I love it. Thank you for watching. Please like and share if you have enjoyed the video. This is Home Cooking with Somjit. Thank you and bye-bye!